Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture, we studied manufacture of urea, and today's we are going to study uses of urea. Now let's discuss in details. Uses of urea. Urea is one of the most important nitrogen-containing compounds used in daily life and industry. Uses are: the first one use is fertilizer, second one manufacture of plastics and resins, third one use in animal feed, fourth one in manufacture of medicines, fifth one use in textile industry, sixth one use in chemical industry, seventh one use in explosive and limited use, eighth one laboratory uses. Now let's discuss one by one and details. Use as fertilizer. Urea is mainly used as a nitrogen fertilizer. It contains about 46% nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth. Importance: promotes healthy plant growth, increases crop yield, improves soil fertility. Second one, manufacture of plastics and resins. Urea is used to produce Urea-Formaldehyde resin. These resins are used in plastics, adhesives, and laminates. Third one, use in animal feed. Urea is used in small controlled amount in cattle feed. It provides nitrogen for microorganisms in the stomach of animals. Fourth one, manufacture of medicines. Urea is used in pharmaceutical products, skin creams, and ointments. It helps in moisturizing and treatment of skin condition. Fifth one, urea are also used in textile industry. Urea is used in dyeing and printing of fabrics. Also helps improve color absorption. Sixth one, urea also used in chemical industry. Urea is used to prepare fertilizers, chemicals like melamines. Seventh one, also urea used in explosives, limited use. Urea can be used in the manufacture of some industrial explosives. This use is controlled and limited. Eighth one, also used as laboratory uses of urea. Urea is used in chemical reactions, also used as a reagent in laboratories. Summary of the uses of urea. Urea is used in fertilizers. Most important use: plastics and resins, animal feeds, medicine, textile industry, chemical industry, explosives, limited use. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and uses of urea. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.